Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad onion only way. Start by choosing firm onions, slice thin across the grain, and soak in cold water to mellow the bite. Drain well and pat dry so dressings cling. Use a sharp knife to keep slices even and avoid crushing. Toss with a simple vinaigrette, fresh herbs, and a pinch of salt, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving. Whisking a dressing is simple and transforms salad onion into something special. Combine oil and vinegar in a 3-to-1 ratio, add a teaspoon of mustard, and whisk until smooth. Taste and season with salt, pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar if needed. Drizzle over cooled, drained onions so they absorb flavor without wilting. Toss gently, let sit 5 minutes, and taste again before serving for perfect balance. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy food tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles crumbs and pet hair so you can focus on cooking and slicing onions without sweeping. It accepts voice control and maps rooms for efficient cleaning, which is perfect after meal prep messes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Salad onion is versatile and brightens many dishes with minimal effort. Serve it chilled beside grilled meats to cut richness, or combine with cucumber and tomato for a classic side. Toasted nuts or seeds add crunch and depth. For a quick meal, mound salad onion on toasted bread with a smear of ricotta or goat cheese. Keep extras refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 2 days for best freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.